Okay, folks, I'm back. So it's Wanda. What I'm doing is an experiment. So this will be the third upload file on this series. So I did an original one with showing different mics. You know, the Rode wireless mic, the Rode and Ceramonic shotgun mics using the R7. And also comparing the camera onboard microphone and comparing all of the microphones, plus this low profile microphone that I got from Best Buy. So you've heard many videos where I've used the Blue Yeti, or the Yeti X I should call it, because it's in black. But anyhow, what I'm trying to do on this video is show you the compression rate of the files. So if I go to the TV, I have to find it, yeah, right there. Okay, you don't see the files, but if I share it, oh, okay, let's go to share. Okay, folks, if you're bored waiting to upload videos and stuff like that, I think I have a quick fix for you. So let's say you're using Ecamm Live on your Apple computer to upload a video that you've collaged about different videos and stuff, and then you talked a little bit about those videos, and it compresses at the same time. So I shot the videos in Mp4 with the Canon R7, which you're viewing on now, and then I've shot, well, I collaged it together with Ecamm Live, put it all in one video, it compressed it, so it went from like 12 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes when it's done. But if you have one file that you've already set an intro and you don't want to watch the whole video while it's compressing like you do on Ecamm Live, you can download, let's say, Handbrake. And right now, if I just turn this around and view it, there you go. Here's Handbrake, okay? Now try to get closer. So what you can see, I've already started the encoded process. And also to show you, if I just move a little bit over here, okay, the file is the top one. It's the 3FA or 4A0217. It's 43 gigabytes, okay? That top file right there under the dir directory. Now I use a zip, so it went from 43 gigabytes right there to, get this, only almost 3 gigabytes, okay? So that's pretty good, but that's a zip file. You can compress it like that, but YouTube wouldn't like it. So right now, and the reason why so anyway, I'm not going to show the whole file, and it was an Mp4, so it was only 3.2 gigabytes and went to 2.9 gigabytes, okay? So if I would have done the compression on this 6 gigabyte file, it would probably give me the same compression. And I just want to show, didn't want to show the whole video that you'll see in part A. This is part B. It's kind of hard to show with the camera on a TV. It's much easier with Ecamm Live. But what I'm trying to show, or trying to project, is that you don't have to watch the whole video. You can download a utility that will compress the file into 4K, like you have created, or in whatever format you want to move to, without any loss of video quality. And then hopefully it'll upload quicker on the internet to YouTube. But what I'm finding out is, with comparing with the 6 gigabyte file, which I'm going to upload by itself, and then I'll compress it with Ecamm Live to see how much it does. So a 6 gigabyte file compressed to 2.9 is excellent using Handbrake. File I'm going to send up after this, and it'll be the whole part B or whatever. This is part C actually. Is that video file, 6 gigabyte, but I want to see how much Ecamm Live by watching the whole video, and then you end the video. So I'm not going to put an intro or an exit on it. I'm just going to do the video. And I'll label it part B. This one will be part C, and it's just to compare the different video files that I have. And what I've found out was that I still had the webcam. I forgot to plug in my iMac or iPad Pro, so I had no battery. I'm using computers or PCs less and less. I'm using the Macs more, and not watching any TV hardly, not even soccer. I love watching soccer. No football. I just do yard work, grocery shopping, walk the pets, you know, just everyday chores, and do YouTube videos. So I think this series is helpful in that if you don't want to watch the whole video and then you have to be there at the ending to pause it or to end it for the compression purposes, just use Handbrake and send it up to the internet and you're done with it. So you just do one take instead of getting into like a program that you choose for your video work for the internet, and instead of watching it and then compressing while you're watching it, and you watch full, let's say 10 minutes or whatever of the video, this way it's faster. But the debate I have with Peter Gregg is that if you compress it, will it render quicker if it's compressed or uncompressed? So that's what I'm going to do. I'll send a 6 gig file completely by itself from the camera to YouTube. Let them process, and that'll be the last file I'll send up, and we'll see which one renders first. The smaller file size that are compressed, or the larger uncompressed file. So there's 2 tests. One is you don't have to use the program and watch the video. If you've already done the whole thing in the video, you just compress it with Handbrake or whatever utility you want to use and send it up. You just write the comments, whatever, the title in YouTube, and you're done with it. It's on their hands, they'll render it, and when it's ready, you go back, you select 4K, whatever, and then you put it public. So this part C is just describing what I'm doing. So part A was compressed with Handbrake. Part B will be compressed file using Ecamm Live. Part C is this video, and part D is the file uncompressed directly out of the Canon R7, and it's going to be one right after the other. So basically we'll see which one renders first, and then I'll have a follow-up writing down in the comments which one was faster. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and any questions, just write in the comment below. If you have any suggestions, write in the comment below if you have a better utility or whatever. But this was something I wanted to do on Windows, see if I could do it instead of using a Mac. So anyhow, as always, stay safe, keep smiling. Until next time, goodbye.